Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this particular video I will be discussing some more operations on string data structure in Python. Already I have discussed the fundamentals of string in Python in my lecture 1. If you have not seen that lecture, please check the link given in the description box. Check that, then it will be helpful to understand this particular lecture. Okay, suppose first operation which we are going to observe, that is how to calculate or get the length of a string. Suppose I am defining one string hello. Okay, now if I simply write, as you know, type of x, we should get string. Now what is the length? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 should be the length of the string. So you have to give len then x. Okay, if you run this you will be getting 5. So len is used to get the length of a string in Python. Okay, this is number one operation. Number two operation, which is very important, we have to check a particular substring is present in another string in Python. Okay, like in Java there is contents method. Same in case of Python we will use in. Okay, like suppose I am writing he in hello. Okay, so he, this particular substring is present in hello. See, he is present. So if you run, you will be getting output as true. But suppose I am writing ho. See, ho as a substring is not present. It is coming as subsequence. Here h and here o. It is not consecutive. So we should get output false. Okay. So to check a particular substring is present in another string or not, we use this in. This is another very widely used in programming concepts. Okay. Next, comparison. Very simple. S equal to hello. You can give. Now suppose G equal to also I define hello. Okay, now if you are familiar with Java, we use compare to or dot equals method, but here like other variables, simply you can give equal to operator for comparison. If you run, you will be getting true. Now suppose s not equal to g, I want to check, so we should get output as false because s and g are equal. So when we'll be using not equal to operation, we should get false. Let us check. See, false we are getting. Simple, right? Same goes like comparison. Okay, greater than, less than. Suppose I am defining one string, suppose first string as suppose a b c. Okay, and second string as DEF. It is quite clear that second is greater than first. If you convert to ASCII and add them up, obviously you will be getting second more than first. So first greater than second we will be getting as, so sorry, here I have given wrong variable name. First greater than second, see, we will be getting output as false. Okay, if we will be giving first less than second, which is true, so output should be true. Less than equal to also works. Okay, and similarly other operations. Okay, so this is how you can use comparison, greater than equal to, less than equal to, greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to in string for comparison. Now next point, indexing and slicing, which is very important. Okay, suppose r equal to hello I am taking. Now I want first character, so in string index like Java, in Python also same, that is index starts from 0. Okay, r of 0 output should be h, r of 1 output should be e, r of 2 output should be l, r of 3 output should be l, and r of 4 output should be O. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4, or we can say 0 to length of string minus 1, because length of string is 5, 5 minus 1 4. Maximum index is length of the string minus 1. This is also very helpful for programming. Okay, later I will show you how to solve competitive programming on strings in Python. That time I will show you some techniques. Okay, so this is how indexing is done. Okay, now the beauty of Python, here the negative indexing is also there. Like if you start from left, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that indexing will go. But if you want to start from the right hand side, then negative indexing you have to do. Like this will be -1, then -2, -3, -4, -5. Obviously, why starting from -1, not -0? Because there is nothing called -0. 0 cannot be minus plus, right? So that from the right, if you start, it should start from -1. Okay, like I can write r of -1. I will be getting same, that is character O, that is last character. Suppose I am writing -3. What we should get? See, O is corresponding to -1, L corresponding to -2, this L corresponding to -3. So we should get L. Okay, so L. This H corresponding to -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So L, H corresponding to -5. R of -5, you will be getting H. Okay, so this is how negative indexing works in Python. Okay, this is very important concept. So indexing we know, and now what we have learned: indexing we learned, length calculation we learned, how to compare strings in Python, that also we learned. Last topic of our today's discussion is slicing. Okay, R of 0, 2. Like in Java, we use substring. Same goes for Python. Simple indexing 0 to 2. So what will happen? 0 is index is hello, that is H. Then 1 is E, 2 is L. Okay. So it will not go up to the 2. It will go up to 1. So 0 to 2 means 0 and 1. 0 to 3 means 0, 1, 2. That means whatever limit you will be giving, suppose I am writing general R of A to B, then it will start from A, it will go up to B minus 1. Same like substring in Java. Okay. So suppose I am writing 0 to 2, I should get H and E. Okay. See, I am getting that. Suppose I am writing 0 to 3, I should get H, E, L. Okay. 1 to 3, I should get only E and L. Right. So this is how substring can be done in slicing can be done in Python in case of string. One more concept, same like you can use negative indexing also for slicing purpose. Like suppose O starts from -1, this L corresponding to -2, this L corresponding to -3, right? So I can write from -1 to -4. So let me write -1 to -4. So we will be getting -1 to -3 element, that is OLL. Let us check. See, we will be getting nothing. Why? Because by default the increment is 1. But here -1 to -4, when we are getting when we are going, we should give increment as -1, because -1 then we have to go to -4, so that -1 decrement value we should give, right? So that we will be getting OLL. Okay. So first one is starting index, second one is ending index, plus 1 you have to give, like, and then next one is basically incrementing factor. Okay, like here I can give R of 0, 4, 2. Okay, so if you run, see H and L you will be getting. Why? H starting from 0, then incremented by 2, E and L, then this L will be getting, so L and then nothing. Okay, so like that it will work. So first one is starting index, next one is ending index plus 1, and next one is increment factor. Okay, so like that slicing can be done. This is what about indexing and slicing in case of strings in Python. This is all for this video. I hope you have understood this concept. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest video. Thank you.